And this is my sous chef, Lakota. And we're gonna be making whipped cream ice cream sandwiches. The ingredients are honey made crackers and some Cool Whip and some mini M&Ms. Okay. Okay. Tommy, would you like M&Ms?
No thanks.
Okay. Ian, would you like M&Ms?
Yes, please.
Just a little bit. That's good. Okay. Thank you.
Trying everything at Cooking Club.
Aiden, would you like M&Ms?
No thanks. Remember, you can't have
Now they can make their own. Since they had their first one, they can make their second one now.
Thank you. This was